Absolutely. But they also deserve to see the repair. You know, when I'm wrong, it's okay for me to be wrong. Obviously, I'm not violent with them, but it's okay to be wrong, or to raise my voice a little too high. But I also follow it with, "Grandma, sorry that she yelled. It was in the moment." Whatever the case, that they can understand. But I always bring it back to, if I see something in that interaction that I did incorrectly, I will apologize, because there's not a lot of that I got. You know
And
what I
as
mean?